Fiat 500 owners, listen up. Today I'll walk you through installing key parts like the motor and adapter plate. Follow the steps, and even DIY can work perfectly. First, install the motor. Align it with the car's pre-drilled holes, and tighten the screws diagonally. This prevents uneven stress. Give the motor a shake afterward. No wobble means stable transmission later. Next, the adapter plate. Remember, groove faces the motor. Don't reverse it. Tighten the screws to 25 north, with a torque wrench. Enough force prevents slipping, and the plate should fit the motor tightly with no gaps. Don't mix up the clutch assembly direction. The friction plate faces the adapter plate. Slip it on, spin it once to check for jams, then tighten the screws. Don't over-tighten. Leave a little slack for gap adjustment later. The adapter shaft is crucial. Align the keyway with the clutch's slot, push it all the way in, then use circlip pliers to install the circlip. Make sure the circlip locks into place. Pull the shaft. No wobble means it's fixed. Misalignment ruins transmission. Finally, the gearbox. Align its input shaft with the adapter shaft and push slowly, no force. A soft click means it's engaged. Tighten the screws, then spin the input shaft. Smooth rotation with no noise means it's done. installed. Every joint fits tight, spin the gearbox, and the motor adapter shaft follows smoothly, no jams or wobble. This installation is spot on. Installing with the video isn't hard, right? If you have questions, leave a comment anytime.